Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I have such an exciting next week. I am going to be meeting Kathrin Zenkina, Manifestation Babe. I am so excited. I'm flying out to LA on Thursday to do my first ever photo shoot. So if you don't know who Kathrin Zenkina is, she is Manifestation Babe. She has helped thousands of women and men just to clear their abundance blocks and learn the technique of manifestation and come into more of a wealth mindset. I did take her course, Manifestation Babe Academy, and I absolutely loved it. Highly recommend. And just so happened to win one of her giveaways on Instagram. So basically, if you bought her merch and tagged her wearing it, you could have been entered to win to be in a photo shoot for her next merch line. Now, I did buy the merch, I did tag her, but I forgot this was even a thing. I just wanted to obviously share because I bought this stuff and it was really cute and I wanted to show it off and tag her because I loved it. And I could not believe when she tagged me in her stories. I was like, what in the world? She has I don't know, 450,000 followers or something. I mean, I don't even remember. So when she was tagging little old me, I was like, what? And then when I found out what the prize was, and I've been so nervous about it because I'm a teacher. So I was like, what if I can't get the time off for this photo shoot? But the stars are aligning. So I'm going to take you on my journey to prepare for the shoot. I just got back from Costa Rica. So I'm legitimately living my best life these past couple weeks. Who is she? So I really need a lash fill. Unfortunately, my normal person is away too, so I have to see someone completely new and different. So that kind of freaks me out a little bit, but I only go to masters and this person is a master. So I'm going to have faith. They're going to come out awesome. Then I need to go to the mall because I need light wash jeans. So I bought some from Abercrombie, but I can never settle. I can never just be like, yes, these are fine. So I'm going to go see if there's any other ones that I like, or if I just want to keep the ones I have. And also it's a 30-day return policy. So by the time I'm back, it'll be past the 30 days. So I bought 2 pairs and I probably won't keep both of them. So also I do need to get my nails done, but that's on Tuesday. So I don't remember if I'll show you or not. I just normally wear a pale pink. I really like neutral nails, but I got these for my vacation because I was like, these are vacation nails. But I think, in my videos and photography and stuff, I think neutral nails look a lot better. So I really wanted just plain nails for the photo shoot. This is my first photo shoot I've ever done, so I have no idea. And then on the morning that I'm flying out, I'm going to Dry Bar to get a blowout just so my hair is already in a good way and they can just touch it up for the photo shoot, which I think is probably Friday. So this is going to be insane. I'm going to vlog preparing and then I'm gonna vlog there. Obviously you're gonna see it all over my stories. I can't believe, but I can, because this is the new me. This is my new life. I have up leveled. I am at this level now, so just expect this all the time. Lashes are back. I feel so much better. This inner corner was looking so crazy. All right, off to the mall, but first, let me show you. Look at these crystal vent clips from Fierce Forward Jewelry. Aren't these so fun? This is labradorite and amethyst. the car. I am so exhausted. It's like 2:40. I started at like 11:30. Oh my gosh, and I wanted to go to Fabletics, but I didn't even make it because I'm like so pooped. I can't even fathom. And they probably have the new collection out, but whatever. So I went to Abercrombie. I switched out one of the pairs of jeans and returned and rebought the other pair, so I have more time. So now I have 2 pairs that I really like to bring to LA with me. I also got a really cute sundress from H&M. That would be maybe like a brunchy kind of thing. It didn't look as good on camera as it looked in person, because on camera it kind of just looks like big, but like in person it's really cute. And then I got some stuff at Express that's more like dressy. Honestly, I spent a lot of money there, and I thought I had an Express card, but they closed it because I hadn't used it in a long time. So like I was just gonna buy the stuff and then go to LA, and if I didn't wear it, return it. But now that I spent real money on everything, I'm like, oh, I don't know. It was like $200 for everything, but I did get $70 off with a coupon. I think that's all I bought. Oh, and I tried to buy some leggings online from Lululemon, but I didn't like them in person. It's like the new flared ones. They're so long, and I know they do hemming, but honestly, they're probably just gonna come out with lengths of them eventually anyway. So I just returned them. So I think that's it. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so tired right now. Hello, it is now Monday, and I am continuing my preparations for my trip to LA. We got her a Mother's Day gift because it's going to be her first Mother's Day because she's very pregnant. I want to say she's like 7 months pregnant. So I got the wrap. Look at this cute. She loves Costa Rica. So I got her the cutest bag with a sloth on it. And then I got tissue paper. And then I got a card. Nope, that's the card for my mom. Hold on. It just says Happy Mother's Day. And then it says, this day's all about you. No, this day is all about moms like you who make the world a more beautiful and caring place, which is so true. Like, just her as a person, that's exactly what she does. So I don't know if it's like weird to get a pregnant person a Mother's Day card, but like, I don't think so. I think it's totally normal. So I also got some jean shorts, but they only had size 10. I wanted to get an 8 and a 10 to compare, because I have Target shorts from the past couple of years in 6s that are just like definitely a size too small. So I think the 8s would be better, but maybe the 10s will work. Like maybe they'll just be like a little bit like slouchy and comfy. I don't know. So they don't have dressing rooms right now, which sucks. So now I'm going to Old Navy because I also got some jeans from there. So I have to pick those up. I've just kind of been like doing a lot of shopping for this trip, and we'll see if we have to return stuff after. I don't know. Tuesday, we got our manicure. I did like a white color called Pina Colada so that it would look good on film, on camera. Things are coming along. We are getting ready for this trip. I still need to pack tomorrow. I just can't bring myself to pack, but also I don't want the clothes to get wrinkled because I have some like cute outfits that I want to stay cute. So I will be back tomorrow with the packing update. I am packing for LA now. So I have my 2 light pairs of jeans for the shoot. I have this dress to maybe wear out to dinner. This dress. This is more of like a day dress. I am here at Dry Bar. I'm getting my hair blown out before my flight so that it is good to go for the photo shoot and I just don't have to deal with it. So very excited. Here we are in Back Bay, Boston. At my gate. We board in like an hour, so I just got a sandwich, I got a smoothie. I'm just hanging out waiting for my flight. It was funny when I was going through security, they pulled my bag aside and he's like, I just have to look at your snacks. So I don't know if he was hungry or what, but no problem. Also, here's my hair. Came out really good. And she said she wasn't gonna put product in because they're gonna be touching it up tomorrow. So I guess just so there's not like extra buildup from product and stuff. But I think it looks beautiful. I'm very happy with it. I'm liking this beam of light of the sun. So yeah, I'm really excited. I can't believe I'm going. I'm so excited. Also, I have to show you my bracelet. Hold on. This is the bracelet that I got from Fierce Forward, and I got Kathrin one too. Look how perfect the color is. Like, it is exactly her branding to a T, and it says create. And she just did a little text the other day about creating, and I just think she's gonna love it so much. So obviously I got myself one so we can twin. So I love Fierce Forward, woman-owned brand, spreading it far and wide because it is amazing. So if you love crystals and stuff, you will love Fierce Forward jewelry so much. I am in my seat. I have a window seat. I'm so excited. I am right over the way, but I can see behind it. Also, I was group number 2, which is so nice. So it was not a hassle to actually be able to get my bag on. So that's good. So I can just
Good morning,
walk
everyone,
off
and welcome aboard. It's our pleasure to welcome you to Los Angeles, where the local time is 1:39.